Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the way that I like to prepare dried beans. This is a method that's very simple to do and will work with a large variety of beans. I realized the other day that I've never shared this on my channel before. And with legumes being such a large part of Mexican cuisine and of pretty much any plant-based diet, I figured it was important for me to share the way that I like to prepare them. So let's get started. We're going to need some water, 1 cup of dried beans. I'm using black beans today, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The first thing I do is soak my beans. I add clean beans to a pot and soak them with at least 3 times the amount of water. The beans will expand while soaking, so make sure you have enough. Now this isn't necessary, but in my research I have found that it does help with digestion and nutrient absorption. Typically, I soak the beans overnight. If not, I do this quick soak method. After adding the water, bring the pot of beans to a boil. Then turn off the heat and let them soak for about 1 to 2 hours. Once the beans are done soaking, I drain them and wash them. Now the beans are ready to be boiled. I add them back into my pot. And add about 3 times the amount of water. I bring the beans to a boil and then reduce the heat to the lowest setting possible, cooking them covered. After about 45 minutes, I add my salt and let them cook until tender, which should take about 1.5 hours. So there you have it, an easy way for you to prepare any dry beans at home. I hope you enjoyed it, and buen provecho.